Hello everybody around the globe, Ivan here from Market Respect. Welcome to another video regarding the euro dollar analysis. The last one we made last Thursday. What I have been talking about is entering into position on the long side, but due to the fact that the Friday was the non-farm payroll day, I haven't been entering into position. And I've been talking about that we might see some consolidation within this area, what indeed happened. So not much movement regarding the euro dollar. Basically, we are where we have started. There was a good entry point on the 78.60, but due to this non-farm payroll day, I haven't been entered. We've seen this big pull on the downside, and the market retraced up, catched some stops. So basically, I would enter around this area, but due to this volatility, I didn't want to put a larger stop than usual, so I was not in this position. Now we are in a situation that we are still in this area. So basically, it's a good area to enter into a long position. As if you already know, if you have been following me, we've been analyzing the euro dollar constantly. We are in a bullish market. We've broken some big and major trend lines on the weekly chart. It is to be expected that the trend will continue on the upside. What we might see within the next period is some sort of consolidation, since the big move already happened. So this was the really big and strong move from 112 to almost 120. Yes, 120. Now until end of quarter, I don't expect much movement, but nevertheless, on a smaller time frame, we can always catch some wave and take some pips of the table. So let's see what we have here now. It is the beginning of the week, so we'll see how the market will develop, but nevertheless, I will make just a short overview this Monday, and the next we'll see how to position ourselves on Tuesday and the next week. So basically, we have broken this downtrend line in a 4-hour chart, and we've seen some sort of consolidation, as I already said. So we are here in this area of retracement, 70.60 to 61.80 of the last impulse up, and it is to be expected that the trend will continue. We are also here on the 4-hour chart, very close to this trend line, which was tested numerous times. So it is still respected, and while this trend line is respected, it is not clever to go short, if you ask me. So the short scenario will be that we see a clear break of this trend line on the downside, some pullback, and then continuation. If not, so until this scenario happens, I'm targeting long. So the next small move on the upside is this one. So if you check this Fibo, it's almost like the same area. You might wanna wait, for example, to price to come back here to this zone again, to be as closer to this wicks, that your stop can be then really low, and your profit target can be then high, and risk reward can be also then really good. Waiting to market to come back to this area around 118 round figure. That will be my personal entry point. If you want to scale in right now, you can. We are in a bullish territory, and I think this like a double bottom. This let's say this and now something like a double bottom I see here. So it could be the case that the market continues on the upside, or reverses one more time to the downside, maybe even further down to the trend line and to this last area of support. That might be the case. So be careful with your stop loss. Be careful when you're scaling into position. When you're in profit, move your stop to break even. Protect your capital. Trade safely. That is something what I always recommend, because you have to be careful. Markets are very volatile and very easy. You can lose and be on the right side of the market, and that's my personally my let's say what I hate the most is when I'm on the right side of the market and then I lose on my position anyway. So when market tricks me like that, then I'm really mad. When I'm on the wrong side of the market, it's all good, no problem. I was wrong, that's it. If I'm on the good side of the market and still lose, that's something I'm not happy about. This is all regarding euro dollar for Monday. See you on Tuesday. Stay safe, stay healthy. Best regards from Croatia, Europe.